So bonded labor is the most widespread form of slavery in the world. A person becomes a bonded labor when unable to repay a loan. They are said to be owned by the feudal lord or money lender in question till the loan is repaid. So as per the recent statistics available with the International Labour Organization, there are 36 million people in the world which are bonded laborers. 16 million of them are in India itself, which is a shameful statistic. So in Meghalaya, recently I read about the extraction of coal in private coal mines in the Jaintia Hills, which is almost exclusively undertaken by what we now call bonded labor. In states like Punjab, it is not uncommon to employ laborers against the loan in brick kilns. In states like UP and Bihar, where large portions of land are still held by families who practice feudal forms of ownership, there's still lots and lots of workers that work as bonded labor. So even 39 years after Parliament has passed the Bonded Labor Abolition Act, making it a criminal offence, it still exists. Just last month, the National Adivasi Solidarity Council rescued 106 Chenchu tribals of Odisha from the clutches of creditors in Mehboob-Nagar. In another incident, 40 workers who hail from different regions of eastern UP were rescued after a year of bonded labour from a brick kiln in Philor in Punjab, just owing 600 to 700 rupees. So the central and state governments claim to have spent 2 billion rupees on the rehabilitation of this. But there is a fundamental problem, sir. They give 20,000 rupees only after the conviction of the felon who has induced bonded labor upon these people, and just 2,000 rupees after the release. Now, sir, what happens is recidivism occurs. They fall back into bonded labor because there's no skill training. The amount has said to be increased to 1 lakh rupees. But even that, sir, is on the conviction of the felon. Now, in our country, sir, conviction takes at least 3 to 4 years, which means in that time, with no support base, the person without a cushion falls back into bonded labor. So I have just a basic suggestion. Let us remove the condition of conviction clause from this. Let the person be given 1 lakh rupees upon the immediate rescue. A skill training should be involved in this, sir. Accommodation and food borne by the government during this skill training. And lastly, sir, that the release of funds for rehabilitation, which till now 18 of 29 states follow the rehabilitation scheme. So a substantial proportion of funds remain unspent. This is a grave human concern, sir. I beg your indulgence on the matter. Thank you.